Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Virgos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Virgos, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So, that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have in your mind about your circumstances, guys. So, you can stay tuned for that, Virgos. So, first, let's start with these cards here. We have lilies, ship, and rider. So, in your situation, guys, Virgos, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, you are in a good place today, guys. Things are moving towards something positive, and you have a peaceful mind, happiness, contentment, and satisfaction. And maybe you are moving towards some positive changes in your work situation, guys. And you are in a good place. You have a lot of experience. You are wise. You are making the right choices today. And your reputation is growing in your work. You are successful in landing good projects or good opportunities for you. And you are someone who has a particular way of doing things. You have your ideals and beliefs, so you follow that or you go by the book, doing things the same way. But today, maybe, guys, you need to have a different point of view or a different perception if you want more success. So it may be in your work situation, you need to see things differently today, guys. Think out of the box or give up your preconceived ideas about something. If you want more positive opportunities in your work situation, guys, or it may be something in your relationship. So your old ways of thinking or doing things will have to be changed if you want to move positively in your future, guys. And Virgos, in your relationship, guys, I see you are moving towards a more intimate, passionate connection with this person, and you both have mutual love, respect, and caring, and things are really good between you both, and you both share a great understanding in your relationship, guys. And for some of you, you are maybe this person is proposing to you, maybe they want to propose to you, get married to you. So positive things, whatever you have dreamed for, is what you are getting today, guys. And in your career also, Virgos, you are ready to face any situation, ready to handle any situation. You are someone skilled, talented, and you have a lot of experience, just like I said before, guys. And you are getting some kind of a news or a message. Maybe you have waited for this opportunity and you are landing these some rare opportunity in your career, and you are going to be more successful and prosperous in your work situation, guys, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. If this reading resonates and if you like this reading, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have Aura Light. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that being really mindful of your present situation. So are you really aware of what is going on in your present situation? Are you being truly attentive to its qualities and patterns? So in your relationship, you need to observe and find out what is working so you can build this relationship on that, or what is not working so you can address that, make some changes to that. So being present in your relationship, being truly aware and paying attention, observing without judgment, and just watching what is happening instead of spinning a story of what should have been or what it ought to be. So instead of saying something after that, you should be present, be aware, keep your eyes open, and that way you will be able to deepen your love and make this connection a better one. So your ability to be present, that is what is going to help you. And you have many distractions. That may be the reason we have this card, guys. So something is distracting away, taking your attention away from this relationship. But if you are attentive today, you will make this relationship a positive, meaningful relationship. That is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is a reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is Fork in the Road. So with this card, it just means that you are making some important decisions today. So whether you are going right or left in this relationship, and deciding on a particular choice, and be prepared for all that consequences you face with that choice today, guys. So in your relationship, you have reached a moment of truth. So will you move towards a possibility of a deeper love, maybe with open communication, with truth and honesty and trust involved, going deeper with that other person, or just walk away? So this is the time to take responsibility for your truest desires of your heart, what you honestly feel within yourself about your love, and what you are willing to do for this connection, guys. So there is no wrong choice here, guys. It is just the way you are moving based on the truth of your heart. So if you want this love, you are going to deepen this love. But if it is something other than love, you are going towards that. So all roads will lead to the lessons you need to learn in this relationship, guys. So regardless of the decision you are making, it will place you on the path that is that will give you the truest experience of your heart. So if you like this person, you are going to deepen this love. If not, you are going to move away. But your choice is nothing wrong, but the choices based on truth of your heart, that is going to make the difference here, guys. So for those who chose this card, you should make true choices. That is what this card is about, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.